Here's your delivery. Got to go. Very busy. Thanks, Al. Honk honk. I'm up here. I need to be quick. Thanks. No problem. Here's your device.
Thank you. Are you busy today?
Yeah, I had a lot of work to do today.
Why don't you try cloning yourself with my cloning machine?
Okay. So where's my truck?
We can use my new portable cloning machine device. There we go.
Thanks, Professor Funling. Now we can make lots of deliveries. Here you go. Thanks, Al. No problem. Here's your toolbox. I delivered that yesterday. But I want to make the deliveries. Well, I'll get to the next one first.
I'll get that for you.
Honk honk, delivery. Woo! I'm going to get there first. Yes, I got here first. Here's your potion.
Wait, don't throw it. Now I'm huge.
Here's your potion.
Thanks, Al. Uh-oh, the device is broken. It won't stop cloning. Uh-oh, there are too many owls.
Delivery. No, my delivery. It's my delivery. No, mine. Thanks. Honk honk, delivery. Honk honk, delivery. Honk honk, delivery. Why are there so many owls? I have an idea. Delivery to Professor Funling's cloning machine. I'm on it. No, I'll deliver it. Honk honk. Honk honk. Phew, that's 2 of the owl clones.
You can use my device to reverse the cloning.
Thanks. What's going on? Chickaletta, you need to move.
Where did you go, Chickaletta?
There we go. Oh, Hi, Chickaletta.
You found Chickaletta, thank you.
That's okay. I'm just glad everything is back to normal.